Hello Stalkers, hope you're doing well today. So as we mentioned in the previous video, we love talking about the zone and the places you have to explore. One of those places previously was the poppy field that we mentioned, as you remember, that is mesmerizing, beautiful and worth to visit. Among the places that is worth to visit, of course, is the cooling towers in the Chernobyl zone. It is placed very near the slag heap, northeast of the place, slag heap which is close to the garbage, and it's pretty easy to get to it through the cement factory. Of course, in order to get there, you're gonna have to meet the people, work with duty a little bit, get to know the faction in the cement factory, and after that you're gonna get the entrance that will be leading you towards the cooling towers. In this place, most of the things that will take your attention are anomalies. They are pretty special over here. One of the places worth mentioning is the burning building, which is very interesting because the building never burns to the end. It is always burning, constantly being alive from the anomalies within, which are keeping the building alive from the outside so they can be active in the inside. So it never stops burning and it is always engulfed in the flames. It is an interesting place to visit, and it is one among many spots where you can find some interesting artifacts, interesting loot, and maybe guns as well. One of the interesting looting positions that you're gonna find is the position with the acid area inside a small tower, which is located in the entrance of the cooling towers. You're gonna find over there interesting stash, not that very satisfying and rewarding, but still it is not also very hard to find it. It is right inside the building where you're gonna see the greenish area of the acid staying there, sailing over, and you're gonna see the backpack, and next to the backpack is gonna be the sniper and some of the ammo. One of the most interesting places actually that you're gonna see over here is the fire world anomaly located in the cooling towers region. It is actually northeast of the cooling towers region. This place is very specific in the way where the heat is all around you. You need to focus all the time and watch for the movement of the anomaly, of the fire anomaly, because it's gonna move like a tornado, literally. It's gonna go in circles on the platforms that you are actually gonna use. And in getting over there, we're gonna show you in this video very carefully like how to get to top of it, how to go carefully around it, and how to notice whether the fire will start engulfing you, start coming towards you, or it's gonna go a little bit further away so you can get to the wanted destination. Of course, the artifact is a little bit in the middle and it is in the closest proximity to the fire tornado, which is expected in Stalker, of course. So it's not gonna be easy if you run through it carelessly. So you need to know when exactly to run, when to stop. We're gonna show you in this video exactly how to jump over the platforms, how to avoid the fire tornado that is going crazy around you, and avoid the heat that can at the end engulf you. It's gonna be very strong and it can kill you right away. You will have no time to run away as soon as the tornado starts getting closer to you. So you need to be very careful. Go, go, go!
Save it here, save it here.
This is our time to shine.
You might want to save.
This is it. After you grab the weird nut artifact, literally you have very close place where you can just get away from there. You have a ladder, you need to go down a little bit, be careful not to drop, because you know on Stalker it's not easy. So we finish with the main exploration of the cooling towers, which is actually one of the most interesting destinations. But after this you have another destination which maybe it has a little bit more, if you ask me, rewarding loot than the artifact that we just grab over here. Maybe I'm not that kind of a player that wants to rush into fight, and I would love to cover up, wait, reload, heal up with bandages and with medkit, and then continue fighting. But for all of you rushers who wants to go bravely into the fight, kill everything on sight, this is not a bad artifact. But remember, if you continue using med aids or bandages with the artifact on your belt, it will diminish its power. So you need to be patient, you need to have at least one small cover for not to get shot at or not to be attacked while you're healing up. It's gonna heal the bleeding pretty fast, but the healing itself, it's not gonna be that much fast like when you use medkits. When you go outside and when you turn towards the tower, you can notice ladders from the outside. So when you go on top of the ladders, one reminder, be careful of the trap that is over there. It's gonna be in one of the middle ladders. I think it's in the second one or the third one. It doesn't matter. If you go slowly and if you open your eyes, you're gonna be safely next to the anomaly that actually can literally transport you and teleport you on top of that tower. And you can treat yourself with very beautiful view from over there. Aside from the view, actually, there is also a Dnipro gun that you can find and some ammo for it on top of the tower. I'm not a big fan of the Dnipro gun, but still it is worth going up there because of the view. You can sit over there, play the guitar and enjoy the sunrise or the sunset in the zone. So when you're done with enjoying the view, the safest way to go down there actually is sliding down there, but be careful because you need to hit the exact spot over there where is the boost anomaly that actually boosts you from the ground and literally can slower your fall so you can land on the ground safely. Be careful, so be careful when you drop down over there. It is easy, you can orient by the big anomaly that is teleporting you up on the tower. You can watch down there and it is on your left side a little bit. It is a small dot that you need to hit, but I promise you, you can hit it because you have a sliding platform that you can use. I wish you much luck on dropping down because you need to hit the exact same spot where you went up. Good luck with dropping over there.
Can you go underneath that stuff? Can you
Look,
crouch? I know you crouch, but can you go prone maybe?
No.
Oh.
No, that's the stupid part. But I wanna see if it's connected, you know?
Yeah.
I wanna check the stairs.
Yeah. Jump over the rail and just sort of like try to jump onto that again.
There they are, you see them?
Yeah.
Can I go? It's stupid why I cannot go through this.
Can you run and slide maybe?
No. Ah!
Goodbye. Oh, aim for the portal!
Almost.
You didn't aim for the portal.
Almost. One more time, okay. 33 is a lucky number. That's it. I have to figure it out somehow, sometime. For the end, we're gonna share with you interesting tip. It is about a place called Assembly Unit. It is a big building which is surrounded with most enemies and monoliths, you're gonna be attacked a lot over there, but it is worth going because over there you're gonna find exoskeleton, which is a little bit upgraded. If you wanna know the precise location, let us know in the comments, we're gonna share with you, because I find this place really special and I would like to explore all of the missions over here, because I know and I'm sure there's more to it than all of this stuff. And if you know something that I don't know, please make sure to share it in the comments. We will be very grateful for it. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and even more grateful for listening, because we cannot stop talking about Stalker. I'm sure you know, guys, already one of these things or some of these things, or maybe all of them, and you're gonna share some with us. But I cannot help it, I just love talking about Stalker. And once more, thank you for being here and listening. Wish you a wonderful night and see you in the zone, Stalkers.